Hey everyone, Damien and I are back from CES 2024 and we're excited to share with you all the cool new and up and coming tech we saw there. One thing we were super excited to check out was the XREAL Air 2 Ultra AR glasses, which XREAL hopes to compete with Apple's new Vision Pro headset. I got the chance to try them out and I have to say I was very impressed. The first thing I noticed when I put on the glasses was the image quality, which was clear and crisp thanks to the micro OLED display with 1080p resolution per eye. It has a field of view of 52 degrees, which when looking at 2D content feels like looking at a 154-inch display from a distance of 13 feet. The brightness goes up to 500 nits and it supports 2D at 120 Hz and 3D at 90 Hz, making it great for gaming. When I put on the glasses, I was introduced to a massive virtual desktop environment that looked amazing and offered a variety of different themes. Looking around my environment, I saw a music player and a social media window displaying messages for quick access right from the desktop. There were 3 physical AR discs on the table in the real world that I was able to use to navigate and switch between home and work mode, contacts, social, and movies. There was even one that displayed and switched between different 3D bugs, which was cool and all, but I would have preferred a cuddlier creature for my demo. You can also use your hands to select things by using a pinch gesture with your thumb and index finger, which was very intuitive and accurate. In the movie section, they were demoing 3 movies, The Life of Pi, Despicable Me 2, and Avatar, all in 3D, and they looked fantastic. As you know, Damien and I love 3D movies, so this was great to see. I also got to see a messaging app that had 3D artwork representing the content of the message displayed alongside the text, and the contacts page displayed a 3D avatar next to the person's name, which was really cool. In the demo room, there was a smart light bar in my physical space that I was able to control the color of in my virtual space with a slider. It was a really great experience, and throughout it, the tracking was super precise. The glasses have head and hand tracking, and as I looked around my environment, it accurately selected what I was looking at. Plus, you also get 6 degrees of freedom, so you can fully move around and interact in your space. The glasses were lightweight at just 80 grams and felt very comfortable on my face. And they're made out of titanium, so they're strong and light. There are microphones and speakers built into the glasses, and the audio was actually really good. Damien was in the room with me, but didn't hear too much of what I was hearing thanks to directional audio technology that's supposed to protect privacy and ensure a solo listening experience. Although the XREAL Air 2 Ultra won't have the Apple ecosystem, it's a great alternative to consider and it's a fraction of the cost at just $699. It will be available in March of this year, but you can pre-order now. One thing to note is that the XREAL Air 2 Ultra does need to be tethered to a device, unlike the Apple Vision Pro. But overall, I was really impressed with the XREAL Air 2 Ultra, and we can't wait to see what else they have in store for us. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to more videos where we're going to share all the latest and greatest tech we saw this year at CES. Bye!